What if the biggest numbers could float to the top, like bubbles rising in water? That's exactly how bubble sort works. Here's our unsorted array. 9 elements in total chaos. Bubble sort walks through the array, comparing neighbors and swapping them, until every element floats to its correct position. Watch closely. Sorted. Every element bubbled into place. Here's the implementation. Two nested loops. The inner loop compares adjacent pairs and swaps them. The outer loop repeats until nothing moves. But what does this cost us? O of n squared. Double the input, quadruple the work. Simple to understand. Expensive to run. Best for small or nearly sorted data. Quick recap. That's bubble sort. Simple, visual, and elegant.